This is Amy Matamba at Little Zimbabwe Farm, and I've just been informed that our North Cowichan Fire Department saved Farmer Matamba on his journey to the North Pole.
Come on, get up, get up.
But that's not all. Apparently, after consulting with the Gypsy Queen, Tafadzwa has a new idea.
Hello, darling. There's been some change of plans. You might have to come over here because it's turning out to be...
Me go to the North Pole? And who is this Gypsy Lady anyways?
I would like to thank my Gypsy Lady for giving me power to be able to face Jack Frost. So the sooner you can arrive here, the better for things. I hope so.
The Gypsy Lady suggested perhaps a song is the only way to melt Jack Frost's heart and have a successful apology. It's getting exciting up there in the North Pole. I'm not sure what to expect next, but apparently I'm on my way. More to come, but getting off Vancouver Island proved to be a lot harder than I thought. Could the fire department possibly help me get to the North Pole as quickly as possible? Let's find out. More to come soon. Stay tuned for more. This is Amy Matamba, live from Little Zimbabwe Farm.